Hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Stage 4. Post-production. Getting your video blogs ready for release. Now that you've recorded your video footage, it's time to turn it into something that your viewers can watch and enjoy. This part of the video blogging journey is called post-production, and here are my top video editing tips to get you started. 1. Get yourself the right tool for video blogging. There is no way around it. You will need to get to grips with video editing if you're set on launching a vlog. You may stutter in the middle of shooting what is otherwise a perfect segment and need to trim it out. Plus, at some stage, you'll undoubtedly want to add in a title or some graphics. If you choose to vlog on YouTube, there is a basic editor built into the YouTube Studio. This is only for basic editing, though, best used for adding in video introductions and end screens. If you own an Apple Mac, you have free software bundled in with the operating system that edits video well, called iMovie. Apple iMovie Video Editor. Apple iMovie. iMovie is a decent video editing solution, and some experienced vloggers say it's all they've ever needed. You can edit clips together, add titles, fix sound levels, and more. Windows users have a range of free options to download and install that are similar in capability to iMovie. Of all the options available, the one I recommend is OpenShot. It's open source software, which means it's produced by software coders free of charge. For Windows users, it's the best option to get you started. OpenShot Video Editor. Main interface. OpenShot Video Editor. Main interface. If you find yourself taken to the art of editing and want to achieve more with your videos, then you need to step up to professional video blogging software. It comes at a price, though, at least several $100s. Apple users should choose Final Cut Pro X, and Windows users Adobe Premiere Pro. 2. Include visuals. Vlogging is maturing as a medium, and you'll find all levels of vloggers adding titles, graphics, and B-roll footage to their videos. Let's take a quick look at each type. Titles. At the very least, you'll want to add a title to your vlogs. Displaying your name or logo helps increase brand recognition, and title communicating the topic of the vlog doesn't hurt either. Marie Forleo always begins her vlogs with a caption in the corner of who she is and what she does. Marie Forleo, YouTube. Watch videos by Marie Forleo on her YouTube channel. Graphics. Graphics can enhance viewer enjoyment of your vlog, and serve to highlight an important point, or encourage action from your viewers, like following your social media channels. A YouTube vlogger uses graphics to introduce each segment of her vlogs. Graphics like these are not too difficult to do with a little practice, using third-party tools like Capwing and Wofox. Lapwing. Add image to video. Lapwing. Add image to video. B-roll clips. B-roll clips, sometimes called stock footage, are clips you edit into your video to add clarity to the words you are saying or underline a point. The clips don't have to be ones you filmed yourself, but you must have copyright permission to use them in your video. There are lots of online stock video websites that provide footage that is either copyright-free, or for a fee, licenses you to use it. Pixabay has copyright-free video footage you can edit into your vlog. Storyblocks is a paid service that contains many more videos than the free alternatives. Pixabay. Free video footage. Pixabay. Free video footage. Bumper. Bumpers are a fantastic way to help build your personal brand, and add a higher level of professionalism to your videos. These are short clips, usually less than 10 seconds, that highlight your personal brand or the company responsible for the video. You can include bumpers anywhere in a video, though they usually do well at the start after you introduce what's coming up. You can have a decent bumper made through sites like Fiverr for as little as $5. Though it's probably worth investing a little more, as this will be present in every video you come to produce. Fiverr. Video bumper design. Results for bumper video design on Fiverr. Subtitles. Subtitles are a must in today's easily distracted world. Not only will they help with SEO, but you'll also see an instant boost in engagement. Luckily for you, subtitles are now super easy to add with apps such as Subtitle and Type Studio. Simply upload your video into one of these tools and your audio will be automatically transcribed. You can then easily edit the text, the style, and placement of the subtitles. You can even download the text to use in your blog posts, as more content, or to upload as captions on YouTube. Subtitle tool for vlogging. Hot tip right. 3. Use royalty-free music. It's usually a good idea to use some sort of music to accompany your videos. However, it's important to only ever use royalty-free music. YouTube in particular has cracked down on any video bloggers using copyrighted music in their videos. If you intend to make ad revenue through your videos on YouTube, then you cannot do so with videos that contain copyrighted music. But don't worry, there are tons of great royalty-free music for video blogging out there, with more and more being released every single week. 2 great starting points are YouTube itself. The first being the YouTube Studio Audio Library, which is home to thousands of tracks of royalty-free music, as well as different sound effects to complement your footage. The other thing you can do is simply search YouTube for royalty-free music, and you'll quickly discover a number of channels all dedicated to releasing new royalty-free tracks. You can use these in any videos you make, just be sure to credit them in your video's description. Royalty-free music for video blogging on YouTube. Royalty-free music. No copyright music. In the long run, I recommend signing up for a service like Epidemic Sound. For a flat monthly subscription, you get access to thousands of royalty-free tracks and even more sound effects. Best of all, you don't need to credit anyone. Epidemic Sound. Royalty-free music and sound effects. Epidemic Sound. Royalty-free music and sound effects. 4. Create click-worthy thumbnails. Another important part of the video making process is creating a thumbnail. This is the image that appears to showcase your video. Your job here is to make this thumbnail as click-worthy as possible. It needs to stand out from the other videos around it and encourage viewers to click that video instead of anyone else's. How do you do that? Well, a lot of it is trial and error. I recommend creating different thumbnail styles for each video you make, and over time get a feel for which ones work best. A good starting point is to head to YouTube and do a search for videos related to your niche. Have a look at what sorts of results appear. From this, you should be able to pick up on common themes and styles that the target viewer obviously likes. Ways in which these current thumbnails are lacking. There is no hard and fast rule in creating a click-worthy thumbnail, but as a rough guide, here are a few things you may want to include. A bold color scheme. Choose one that is different from YouTube's own main colors of red, white, and black. A picture of yourself helps to reinforce your personal brand. Limited amounts of text. A few words in bold can help showcase what the video is about, but avoid using much more. Many video thumbnails are seen on mobile devices and large amounts of text won't be possible to read. To get started, I recommend signing up for Canva. Unlike most design subscription tools, their free version is actually amazing. You get access to more than 250,000 templates for designing all kinds of social media graphics. This includes hundreds of YouTube thumbnail templates which you can easily customize to suit your own branding. Canva, YouTube video thumbnail templates. Discover awesome YouTube video thumbnail templates on canva.com. 5. Use attention-grabbing titles. Which of these do you think sounds better? The second title is making a much better attempt to generate some sort of emotion and give you a real reason to click the video. Much like thumbnails, there isn't one exact way to create titles, but there are some guidelines to follow in helping to make them click-worthy. Use numbers. Numbers have been shown to increase click-through rates in titles everywhere, particularly on sites like YouTube. Use emotion. Phrases like, "This will make you cry," or, "Shocked as to see," are filled with emotion and when used appropriately, can boost clicks. Use search phrases, otherwise known as keywords. These help you to generate organic traffic to your video. More on this in the next vlogging tips. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.